Welcome to today's video about the benefits of chia seeds. Imagine a superfood so powerful it could transform your health with just a tablespoon a day. Meet chia seeds, the tiny warriors packed with nutrients. But how exactly do they wage war against health issues? Let's dive deep into the science behind chia seeds and uncover how they can make a monumental difference in your life. Chia seeds offer a multitude of benefits, starting with weight management. Their ability to absorb water and expand in the stomach helps you feel full for longer, reducing snacking and overall calorie intake. This effect is supported by research showing that the high dietary fiber content in chia seeds plays a significant role in curbing appetite and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Moreover, chia seeds have been linked to improved heart health. Their high omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies have also shown that incorporating chia seeds into the diet can help regulate blood lipid profiles, contributing to a healthier heart. Chia seeds are also beneficial for bone health, as they are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals for bone density and structure. Research suggests that regular consumption of chia seeds may help prevent bone-related diseases like osteoporosis. In addition to their role in weight management and heart and bone health, chia seeds can also aid in blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows down carbohydrate digestion, leading to a gradual release of glucose and improved insulin sensitivity. This makes chia seeds a valuable addition to the diet for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Furthermore, chia seeds promote digestive health due to their high fiber content, which helps prevent constipation and supports overall gut function. Their ability to absorb water and expand in the colon contributes to maintaining hydration levels and preventing digestive issues, like diverticulosis. Chia seeds are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties thanks to their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including arthritis and heart conditions. Moreover, chia seeds are a natural energy booster, providing a sustained release of energy without the crash associated with sugary snacks. Their nutrient-rich profile makes them a favorite among athletes for enhancing endurance and performance. When it comes to skin health, chia seeds' antioxidants help fight off free radicals and protect against UV-induced damage, promoting a youthful complexion. Additionally, their omega-3 fatty acids support the skin's moisture barrier, preventing dryness and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In terms of mental health, chia seeds' omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in brain health and mood regulation. They help enhance cognitive function and may reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. During pregnancy, chia seeds can be a valuable addition to the diet, providing essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and calcium for fetal development and maternal health. Their high fiber content also helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of gestational diabetes. Furthermore, chia seeds show promising potential in cancer prevention thanks to their antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and protect against DNA damage that can lead to cancerous cell growth. In terms of dental health, chia seeds' calcium content supports strong teeth and bones, while their vitamin A and zinc content help maintain healthy gums and prevent plaque buildup. Moreover, chia seeds are beneficial for eye health due to their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which protect against macular degeneration and cataracts, reducing the risk of vision impairment. For men, chia seeds may improve sperm health, as their omega-3 fatty acids support sperm cell membrane fluidity and their antioxidants protect against oxidative stress, promoting healthy sperm morphology and motility. To harness the wide array of health benefits chia seeds offer, it's recommended to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 grams, daily. However, caution is advised for individuals with swallowing difficulties, those taking blood thinners, people with low blood pressure, and those with allergies to chia seeds. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can significantly contribute to your overall health and well-being. Whether sprinkled over salads, blended into smoothies, or added to yogurt, chia seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. So, why not invite these tiny seeds into your life and experience their health-transforming benefits?